Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. I desire to inspire you to make beautiful designs, one space at a time. Okay guys, today we are going to be doing a little cleaning motivation here in my master bedroom. I want to refresh things a little bit. So I'm spraying now a DIY antibacterial spray as well as linen spray, and I'll show you how in a later video. While cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and do some detail cleaning in areas that you don't typically get on your day-to-day. So this will be like our deep cleaning, spring cleaning series for the master bedroom. You'll see me dancing here periodically, you guys, just to make light of the situation at hand. There's a DJ/rapper on Instagram called D-Nice, and he does a mixer periodically that he's calling Club Quarantine, where he's playing music and it's upbeat and it's fun. And I thought that would be a great way to get some exercise as well as enjoy my time here at home. So by any means necessary, we're going to get through this together. So between the cappuccino and Club Quarantine, your girl is lit. So let's continue on with this refresh. With the need for change, you guys, I searched out my wedding gift stash and I found these amazing sheets. They are by Noble Excellence. They were on my gift registry. They are certified asthma and allergy friendly, you guys. They feel amazing. They are 100% cotton sateen, and they are from Dillard's. So now I'm moving on to adding my fitted sheet, and I'm using here the clips to secure the sheets to the bed. If you have rough sleepers, these are amazing. I picked them up from the Dollar Tree. They come as a pack of 4. Very easy to attach and remove when you want to launder your bedding. I often get asked about the styling of my bed or the way I style or layer my bedding. So on the mattress, I have a hypoallergenic mattress cover, then my fitted sheet, and now I am adding the flat sheet. My love and I are both hot natured, so a lot of layering is not necessary for us, but I do like to have clean, fresh sheets and linen on the bed. And here I am adding more of the DIY antibacterial spray and linen spray. It's absolutely amazing, you guys. What dance am I doing? Can you tell? Your girl is having so much fun. I just want to encourage you during this time that we're going through, you guys, if you get down and depressed, turn on some music and enjoy yourself. So here I'm layering on my bedding. This is a comforter set that I picked up from Stein Mart last year. Again, since we can't get out and shop, look at your girl, just dancing, having an amazing time. But I am just shopping my home and layering on the items that I already have. This bedding was from Stein Mart. It came with the comforter, 2 king shams, and a bed skirt. Very affordable way to refresh your space. Since we can't get out and shop, shop your home. And here come the pillows. Pillows, pillows, and more pillows. I'm just mixing and matching a couple of sets that I already had just to create a different look and feel. Finishing off the bed, I'm going to do my little wing fold on the throw, and voila. Moving on to the side tables, just giving everything a nice dusting and cleaning up because I hadn't done that in a while. I'm using the Pledge for my wood pieces and the Sprayway for my glass and mirror pieces. And so here you guys, I'm just still dancing, playing around. That was my actual wedding bouquet, by the way. I love having items that are sentimental to me just out at my disposal so that I can see it and enjoy it and not have everything just tucked away. So if you're feeling down, feeling low, pull out some of your beautiful photos of you, your babies, your loved ones, and just have them out around you. It is sure to brighten your day and lift your spirits. It's a great way to focus on positive energy and not dwell so much on all the negativity around us. If you can't tell, your girl is having the time of my life dancing around my home. So the final step in cleaning, because that is what we're doing, right? We are going to clean the windows. So this is an area that I typically don't clean like thoroughly, but I do want to get it touched up from time to time. Just clean out the glass, the window frame, window sill, and everything surrounding it. So you'll see me doing that. And I'm using the spray way to clean the windows. And then you guys, I don't know if you noticed, I use a Swiffer duster to clean the blinds, but a great way to repel dust on like a faux wood blind or a wood blind, you guys, is to use Pledge. It repels the dust, so it makes cleaning easy. So before I do the Pledge, I'm going to come in and just disinfect everything with the Clorox wipes and then proceed on with the Pledge. All the while dancing, of course. So you guys, once I get it all tidied up, what I'm left with is a great workout and a nice, refreshing master bedroom. Everything is clean, it smells amazing, and is set for our lounging pleasures. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun and exciting decorate and clean with me video. I want to encourage you that if it's your first time viewing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. To my tried and true and my brand new boos, you guys know how I love and appreciate you. Also, you guys, please make sure your notification bells are turned on. A couple of videos I've had family members say that they did not get a notification. So make sure that you click that bell twice so that you're notified of every video that I upload. I promise to come to you with more and more content, even in the midst of the pandemic. Nothing can stop your girl from delivering on the goods. I have plenty more Clean With Me series and Spring It On series to share with you guys. Later in the week, I'll be sharing a quarantine survival kit, sharing with you my DIY linen sprays, hand sanitizers, and so much more, things that you will need during this season and beyond. As a creator, I desire to inspire, motivate, and create with you beautiful spaces room by room so that you too can love on your home regardless of how bad things are, you guys. They could be worse, and someone will trade places with you in a heartbeat. So instead of complaining, let's be thankful for where we are, the roof that we have over our head. If you praise and be thankful for your tent, He will bless you with your tabernacle. So let's continue to stay upbeat, uplifted, and motivated during this time, because this too shall pass. We are alone together, so practice social distancing if you have to go out. Be safe. Love on your family members. Love the ones you can while you can. Love is the most powerful gift that you can give, and it doesn't cost you anything to show love. So you guys, until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.